Hi everyone, and welcome to this new Unreal Engine how-to tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick way to move an object from one part of your level to another. Here I'm going to duplicate this bench using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V so I can keep the original one in place, or drag and drop a new object from the content browser. Now let's say I want to move this copy to a completely different area of the level in a large environment. Manually dragging an object across the map with the transform gizmo can quickly become slow and tedious. Fortunately, there is a much faster way to do it. Let's undo these changes and bring the object back to its initial position. First, select the object. Then navigate to the location where you want to place it and position your viewport camera accordingly. Now, right-click on the selected object and choose Snap Object to View. As you can see, I already have Ctrl+T displayed next to this option. That is a custom shortcut that I created for this command. When I click on it, the selected object is moved directly to my current camera view. Because the object also inherits the camera orientation, you may need to reset its rotation values. Then press the End key to snap the object to the ground. To assign a keyboard shortcut to this command, go to Edit and then open Editor Preferences. Go to the Keyboard Shortcuts section. In the search bar, type Snap Object to View. Here is the command we are looking for. By default, the shortcut field will be empty. Click inside the field and press Ctrl+T, or choose any other keyboard shortcut you prefer. Now, close the Editor Preferences window. Make sure your object is still selected. Navigate to the location where you want to place it, position your camera, and press Ctrl+T. As you can see, the object is instantly moved to the current viewport. Reset its rotation values if necessary and press the End key to snap it to the ground. And that's it for this tutorial, guys. This was a short one, but I hope you found it useful. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next Unreal Engine how-to tutorial.